Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how to fix Messenger links not working or loading. So first of all, you're going to have to check your internet connection. At times when your internet or Wi-Fi is unstable, the links might not clearly load or work. Second, head over to your Play Store and then search for Messenger. So here you're going to have to simply see if you're using the updated version of Messenger or not. If you see update, select update and update your app. Next thing you could try is long tapping onto your Messenger. Then select this I button. It will open up your settings page. Scroll below, select storage and clear the cache. Lastly, select force stop, then select OK. Now go ahead and restart your device and then try again. If it's still not working, then you can simply forward that link to maybe yourself or to your friends and see if they can open the link. If they also cannot open the link, then clearly the link is the culprit. So guys, thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.